what should you cover when you're providing updates on your work and your projects? So in our line of work, we do collaboration with multiple teams over time. We have generally our project team in the Agile world. This is a cross-functional team. Sometimes it'll be a team of data scientists. Generally, people have a regular touch point with the direct project team. Sometimes this is a stand-up, a daily stand-up. And then there's other teams that we interact with and that we'll want to provide updates on our work, on how it's going, on the challenges and roadblocks, etc. And sometimes we have weekly project update teams with broader stakeholders than the people just involved in the project. So these are generally on a weekly or fortnightly basis, sometimes monthly, depending on the seniority of the stakeholders. And other times we have capability catch-ups, so this can be a whole of analytics team catching up, or a whole of data science team catching up, or a data and tech teams coming together and providing each other updates and lessons learned from their different projects, and identifying areas where they can either collaborate or leverage and reuse, etc. So I wanted to talk about the non-stand-up meetings. So when you're with your project team that you're collaborating with closely and meeting and discussing every day, those sessions are obviously quite quick because everyone has the same context and is moving together. But for the sessions where it's weekly, and that can be with stakeholders or with your broader team, if the meetings are more infrequent than daily, so if they're weekly, fortnightly, or monthly, and you're providing updates about your work, I recommend that you start with the why. Why are we doing this piece of work, and what is the value? And that will help you in the communications. It'll help ease the concerns in other people's minds that sometimes come up when the updates go too technical too soon, and then people, especially business stakeholders, will feel, and leaders will feel like that maybe this person can't see the forest for the trees, or that they're stuck too deep into the weeds, and that they could benefit from coming up for air and understanding a broader context, and then be able to prioritize their work more effectively. So these are some of the things that usually come to mind to stakeholders and leaders when people are providing updates, is to say, well, is this the right thing to be doing, or the right thing to be doing right now? Or they might have another area that has become more pressing since the last meeting, and they would like to reprioritize. And those discussions, usually we want to have them at the why level. Why are we doing this, or why have we been working on this? We're trying to get this solution implemented. Yes, that will be valuable, but since we last caught up, there's this other solution that it's more pressing, or a new problem that's more pressing. Can we pause the one that we're working on? Can we switch to this one for a little bit? Those are and obviously we want to discuss why, and the stakeholders will usually cover why the new one is important. And if they don't, please ask them, because that's the level of communication and the level of sharing that we want to be having. So I encourage you to take the conversation to that point first, cover why we're doing what we're doing before jumping into the updates, the progress, challenges, and roadblocks. Cover the why it's important and why now, and you'll be putting the minds at ease and the concerns at ease from stakeholders and leaders, and you'll look like a rock star that is all over it. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you got other tips on what to include in those more infrequent meetings and status updates. Comment below. Share with people that would get value from this, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.